Hello, I'm Harold Coons. I'm your tour guide today at the Johnson Air Rotation Production Facility in St. Louis. This is the Horizon corporate headquarters. Come on in and we'll go downstairs and see what's happening with manufacturing. Here we are in the Johnson factory. We're in the production area and we're looking at one half of a customized air outlet for an air rotation unit. You can see the foil insulation to keep the unit from sweating into space for an interior unit. And we have a curved plate in here that helps turn the air toward the outlet. And we also have another curved plate back here in the other direction on the short end of the unit. And these internal deflector plates help to direct the colder, denser air on an air conditioning unit further out into the conditioned space, and it does a much better job with a lower amount of horsepower. I don't think anybody else in the industry can offer this kind of customization on their units. Here we are looking at the Johnson Air Rotation Inlet Unit. These are all customized to each space. This particular unit has a motorized inlet air damper to bring in some fresh air. The motor can be controlled here either to full open or full closed or modulated to some percentage. We have a built-in filter rack where a 2-inch slide-in pleated filter can be added here to keep the air purity and cleanliness in the space. Over here we have a pitot tube measuring device between inside and outside to determine filter loading so that the customer can properly maintain its filtration. And then also unique to Johnson is the angles welded in here at 4 places around the unit so that you have a convenient lifting point as you stack the modules up. All of our units will have built-in lifting points for this convenience of the installer. We're down in the Johnson assembly area now where we've got some units that are being finished wired. You can see the wiring harnesses out here. Front panel with our controls, selector switches and pilot lights to give you some basic information about what's going on with the heating system. Main disconnect switch. As we open the door you can see the wiring harness. It's terminated here on in commercial industrial type terminals. Have a power transformer to break down the inlet power voltage to the control voltage. Primary fusing for the transformer, fusing for the main fan. The thermostat here is a programmable thermostat to set the temperature. Control relays to interface and send signals out to various devices. Have other all of the interlocks are terminated here in the panel. Thermostat sensor is down here on the lower part. This represents a return air. There's a hole to the inside of the unit so that the return air is measured right here. We're mechanically averaging all of the air in the space right at this unit. That gives you a very good even temperature distribution throughout the building. Now we're looking just to the immediate right of our main control panel, and on this unit it happens to be equipped with a variable frequency drive. We're mounting this particular drive. We can mount anybody's drive. If there's a particular customer that has a preference, we can adapt it to the unit. However, they'll have to do the software programming on it, but we'll tell them how to program it in regards to the algorithm. Thanks for joining us today for the tour of the Johnson facility. For more webinars, join us online on the Johnson YouTube channel.